Okay, so I definitely left something out. I knew I left something out at the end of the last video. If you look at the Flex Shop, obviously there's a drop down. That second list is not displayed, so I was missing a display none. If you look at mine currently, I knew exactly what I was missing because you could see the second list from the start. So I knew I was missing the element that was hiding that. And so I went back and I realized that I did miss some CSS. Yes, I do need to load some paper. Go away. There we go. I missed some CSS, and the place that I'm going to drop this is right after my hover and focus of my links, where I turn the background color to gray. I missed the navbar menu underneath the navbar menu. So this is the child UL, and here we tell it to display none. Flex direction column, so that's why they're going to be vertical. Justify content, flex start. Align items stretch. And give them a width. So now we got our drop down menu functioning how we would want it to. Okay, so I want to clean up that list, and then the next section that I have is the spotlight. So now that my navbar is functioning properly, I'll move down to the bottom and throw in a spotlight section. Not stoplight. There we go. Alright, the first thing we're selecting is the spotlight image class, which is this div right here, which has a background image on it. So class of spotlight image. Display flex, justify content center, align items center, 100% width, 30 viewport height, background size of cover, background repeat, no repeat, background position, center on the X and the Y. Give it a little box shadow. Throw that open, and you could see kind of the behavior there. The content is nice and middle. The background image is centered, and it's filling the whole background area 100% width. As you shrink it, it remains 100% in the background. So that's our spotlight image. And then the next thing is the spotlight text, which is, of course, the text inside of the spotlight area. Increase the font size, change the color, give it a text shadow. A little bit of a shadow to help it raise it off that background image. Okay, so that's where I'm going to stop this video. I made one correction on the nav and got our spotlight section up and running.